Hello, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another video. In this video, I'm going to be taking you on a step-by-step on how to make this golden beans fritter. It is very healthy. It is good for vegetarian, vegan, and meat eaters alike. So I'm going to make it the traditional way, and I'll be making it with only three ingredients. So the beans, onion, and hot pepper. Those are all the ingredients I'll be adding. I'm not going to be counting salt or the oil that I'll be frying it in. To start with, you soak the beans in water for about 5 minutes so that it will soak up some water and fluff up to make it easier for you to wash out the skin of the beans. Now you can also like blend the beans the way it is without washing out the skin because it takes time to wash out the skin. But when you leave it that way, the beans is not it's not going to be looking very appetizing when you're done cooking it. All the black stuff, the eye of the beans, the black eye, that's why it's called black eye, will be in the beans. It's going to turn black. But this is the way I'm washing it. There are many ways you can wash the beans. You can wash it with a blender. You can wash it with mud and pestle. You can also use powdered beans or beans flour, but this is the traditional way that I like to wash it. I'm used to this way. So you wash it until the skin is all out, or sometimes the skin will not all be out, but you wash it. It takes time, and then once you feel that most of the skin are out, you add a lot of water as I'm doing here to make it easier for you to sieve out the chaff, which is the skin of the beans. So once you finish washing out, as you can see here, I'm just sieving out the skin, and then I'll add more water and continue sieving it until I'm satisfied with the result, and then I will soak it and let it stay for about at least an hour or overnight. I normally do it overnight, and then it will soak a lot of water and it will almost double in size before I will start blending it and preparing it for frying. Soaking it for about an hour, or in my case overnight. This is what it looks like. Then you're going to add it into a blender and let it blend until it is smooth. Depending on how strong your blender is, this one it takes about a minute or two, and then I take it out, add some of my onion. I chopped one big onion, one large onion. You can put the onion and the pepper according to your taste or according to the amount of beans you're blending. But I add some of the onion into the beans and then I blend it again. After that, then I add the pepper and let it blend just roughly. I don't want it to be finely blended. Some people will put red bell pepper to give it a red color, but I don't like that. I just want it very simple, very, very simple. That's how I enjoy my own akara. So over here, I'm just adding more chopped onion, finely chopped onions. I like to have that onion, sticking out from the fritter or the akara. We in Nigeria, we call it akara. In Ghana, it's popularly known as koose. I believe that's how it's called. Or you can call it beans fritter. That's what I call it, beans fritter. And then I just add the onion. I mix it well. You want to incorporate a little bit more air into it. That will make it very fluffy when you're frying it. And after that, you just add it into hot oil. I'm using vegetable oil. It's preferable to use vegetable oil, not red oil. You just add it into hot oil, leave it on medium heat and let it cook on one side until it's golden brown, and then turn it on the other side and cook until it's golden brown. And it's very, very easy to make. I make this all the time. You can eat it with you can eat it anyways. Actually, there are many ways you can eat it. You can eat it with akam or ogi, we call it. You can eat it with oatmeal, prepared oatmeal. You can eat it with bread. It actually tastes very good when you eat it with bread, or you can eat it as is. It can be eaten for breakfast, for lunch, or even for snack, any way you want it, anyhow you want it. It's very filling as well.
It's already.
So this is your akara. Thank you so much for watching. If you've watched up to this point, I want to thank you for stopping by my channel. Don't make it your last. Come back to watch more exciting videos and recipes. Until I see you next time, have a wonderful day and remain blessed. Bye bye.